Hello everybody, this is Ralph Martin from the affiliateresource.com, and in today's video I want to talk about how to start earning money online. And right now I'm on my latest blog post, how to start earning money online. And in this article I talk about how you can get started making money online for free. And there's a lot of hype on the internet today about this kind of thing, because there's a lot of different programs that talk about how you can make money for free. But then when you join, you find out that you really can't. You can join as a starter membership or a free membership, but you find out later that you really can't make any money until you actually upgrade. But in this particular video, I want to show you how you can start making money online for free. Start training and actually earn while you learn. And then if you decide to upgrade, you can. If not, you could still make money. And you could read this article just by clicking the link in the description box underneath this video. And then I'll soon be putting this video on this actual article. But what I'd like to do is bring you down to the part where you can sign up for free for a program called Wealthy Affiliate, which is an online university that literally teaches you how to make money online. And you're able to get 2 free websites and free web hosting and training to get you started. So what I'd like to do is let you know that as a free member, you can make commission. You can actually earn $4 for an initial $19 offer that is offered to your affiliates. You can earn $11.25 a month and $87.50 for a yearly membership if somebody signs up. So you can actually earn money as a free member. But what I want to do in this video is quickly show you how you would actually do that. So if I click this image here, which shows you the difference between a free starter membership and a premium membership, I'm going to click that button. Enter an email address. What I'm going to do is start a starter account. I already have a premium account, but what I'm going to do is put in another email for really my son and sign him up for free and let him know later. So I'm just going to hit the get started button, and I have the email. I'm going to enter his name. Full name. His name is Martin as well. And I'm going to go ahead and enter a username, Levi Martin, and I'll create a password for him. And I'm going to show you exactly what you would do. This is how you would join if you would like to start as a free membership and start earning income. I'm going to show you what to do. As this is creating an account, I'm going to save my, I'm going to go ahead and skip the tour, because I want to show you exactly what you would do to get started. Right now you're on the Getting Started dashboard. What you have available to you as a free membership is a 10-lesson internet marketing course that teaches you step by step exactly how to make money. I just showed you how to sign up, and you would take lesson 1, which is getting rolling. You get introduced to the owners of Wealthy Affiliate, Kyle and Carson, and it just kind of shows you exactly how to get started. Anyone can succeed. Just basically the whole process for this program is to choose an interest, build a website, attract visitors, and earn revenue. And this is all. What I really like about Wealthy Affiliate is they give you tasks. Task 1 for your first lesson is to go through a walkthrough video, which I believe is about 30 minutes. There's a discussion thread. Tells you what to do to complete your account. Understanding your membership, the promise that they make and that they're asking you to make. And you have tasks. Watch the video. As you can see, 1/3 of the task is complete. I actually already watched this video. Watch the account setup video. Complete the account setup process. Bam! Next lesson. Okay? This is a description of how you will make money. And it goes into the process of exactly how you make money, how you build a website, understanding the make money process, create your financial goals. And again, you click these tasks as you go. This is just really awesome. Now, the thing is before I actually go through all 10 lessons, which I'm not going to show you, you could do that for free. But the next step is to actually create a website. You can go in for free. This is a free member. I can go into a thing called Site Builder, and I'm going to show you how you can literally build a website in 30 seconds. Click here, choose a website name. Let's just say I want to learn how, let's say learn to play guitar. I want to build a website all about that, but it says it's taken. Learning to play guitar. Let's see if that one's available. Title of my website is Learning to Play Guitar. Now what we're going to do is choose a theme, and you could spend hours choosing a theme because as a free member you have 3,204 different templates that you can choose from for a website. I'm just going to choose this one. I'm going to hit click to build this site. Right now it's building your website. Now watch this. Step 4. Hold tight, we're building you something amazing. It's going to take some time here. I'm on this sharing software, so it's probably taking a little extra time to do that. Longer because there you go, bam! Now look, I can go ahead and check my website. And I just got a new accomplishment badge for creating my first website. How cool is that? I'm going to close that and I can log into my website. Now what this is literally a full-blown WordPress website, all hosted for free at Wealthy Affiliate. This is my dashboard. I could show you what the website looks like, learning to play guitar. It's a very plain looking website. As you can see, learning to play guitar up here, and it's ready for me to start creating content. And what's really cool about this is go to my website dashboard. All I have to do is go to the training, and it'll tell me step by step what to do. I can either go to, I recommend you go to the online certification training. Go through, right now I'm on lesson 2 because I just showed you lesson 1 and 3. And now it's going to talk about picking a niche. And this is all for free, folks. And you have the ability to create a website, go through all 10 lessons, and continue as a free member if you want to earn an income. Or if you decide after lesson 10 to upgrade your membership to premium, as a free member, you basically, I can kind of go over this with you in my blog article, but as a free member, you get 2 free websites on all free hosting. You get mentoring and support, video training, tutorials, and the opportunity to earn free member commissions. As a premium member, you actually get 50 websites, and your commissions are higher. And you have a lot of different training available to you. I showed you the starter training, but as a full-blown member, you actually get a 7-phase training program for the Affiliate Bootcamp and a 7-phase training program for a niche website. Again, to find out what you get, just come up to my my blog here, click on the link below this video. Start a free membership by clicking here, and you'll get to this particular page, enter your email, and go through that sign up process I just showed you. I just showed you exactly how to do it step by step. And I think you'll really enjoy it. And then you can go ahead and reach out to me if you have any questions, and I will literally walk you step by step and show you how to make money online. And I can show you how to start for free. Again, this is Ralph Martin, and you make it an awesome day.